Hello everyone. Let's see how to sign up, log in, and manage clients in MT ONE. Let's start with the sign up process. Enter your full name, email address, and phone number. Then select your preferred zone such as North, NCR, South, East, West, or others. After filling in the required details, click on Sign Up. Your account has been created successfully. Now let's move to the login process. Enter your registered email address and click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP received in your email and log into your account. In this section, we will learn how to add and manage clients in MT ONE. To begin, navigate to the Client section from the dashboard and click on Add Client. This will open the client registration form. Enter the client name, display name, mobile number, WhatsApp number, and email address. If required, you can assign the client to a specific group. To create a new group, click on the plus icon, enter the group name, choose a color, and click Submit. The group will then be available for assigning clients. Next, add any important information in the Notes section. Once all the details have been filled in, click on Submit. The client has been added successfully and will now appear in the client list. You can use the search and filter to find clients whenever needed. Now let's look at the follow-up feature. Click on the follow-up button. You can schedule a follow-up by selecting options such as today, tomorrow, next week, or next month. You can also choose a specific date and time. Click on Schedule to create the follow-up. The follow-up has been scheduled successfully and will be displayed on the client profile. You can also assign or unassign team members for this client whenever required. To update client information, click on the Edit button. Make the necessary changes and save the details. On the right side, you can view the client's complete timeline, which keeps track of all activities and updates. To add a new activity, click on Add Activity. Enter the activity details and notes. Then click on Submit. The activity will be successfully added to the timeline, making it easy to track all client interactions and follow-ups in one place. That's it for managing clients in MT ONE. Thank you for watching.